Hi, Miss M6438. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Miraflor Quijano Panangitan. I am 42 years old, married. I live in Caracol Salog, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters, including me. I have 5 kids, 3 sons and 2 daughters. The age of the son is 18, 16, and 15. The age of my daughter is 20 and 9 years old. My first experience there was in Qatar. I am 2 years and 8 months. They have 8 members of the family. 1 elderly, 1 couple, and 5 children. The age of the children is 11, 9, 7, 5, and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities is all around like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, car washing, and a little bit gardening. My second experience is there was in Hong Kong. They have 2 members of the family, mother and daughter. The age of the mother is 65 years old. The age of the daughter is 42 years old. My duties responsibilities is all around like cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing, marketing, gardening, and cooking. My third experience is there was in Singapore. I am only 3 months. My main duties is all around cooking, washing, ironing, marketing, and car washing. They have 8 members of 6 members of the family, 2 couples, and 2 kids. The age of the kids is 5 and 2 years old. Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your helper, I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, kind, and I take care of your kids as my own family.
Okay, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
And it is okay to you to, and you know how to check the newborn baby. If the
Yes,
baby is
sir.
crying, what will you do?
The baby is crying, I will check the forehead. And I will check the stomach, is hungry, and change diaper.
Okay, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I went to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn the highest salary and I want to support my family, especially my kids studying in college.
Okay, and how long do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my contract and as long as my employer needs me.
So it is okay to you to work more than enough in Hong Kong, right? And for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
I know how to cook Chinese food, basic food like steamed fish, steamed chicken, fried baichi, and basic making soup.
Okay, so it is okay to you to color your hair into black.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
How about learning their language if one of your employers doesn't know how to speak English?
I want to learn, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Sir and mom, if you choose me as your helper, I am hardworking, honest, kind, and I want to love your son as my own son, as my own family. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you so much, Miraflor. Thank you.